I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like there's a trail and I'm really tempted to go. I'm gonna go down it. Whatever, YOLO. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for like trespassing. I probably will, but I probably won't. I mean, what could be back here? All right, if this video gets 50 likes, I'll go as far as the eye can see. Oh, almost stepped in the water. What is up? It's your boy, and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. I lied. Today we got a pretty sad one. Today we're going to be talking about why you should not buy an SR5 Toyota Tacoma. Now, there's a lot of things that are different about this truck that higher trims may offer that you may be interested in. So, I won't lie, I didn't know this before I bought the truck. Now that I know it after I bought the truck, I maybe would have stepped up. Maybe, just maybe. I'm sure I'm also going to find out a bunch more things that are different from this truck versus my Sport. So if I show you one thing this SR5 doesn't have versus a higher trim that you didn't know about, you got to leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. And if I don't, if you know everything, I will shout your YouTube name out in the next video. Starting with number one. You can't see it, but it's right here. This one doesn't come with the power outlet. I was trying to find some SR5s with the power outlet, but I couldn't find any. So I'm thinking it just doesn't come at all. Let me know, do you have an SR5 that has a power outlet? It kind of sucks that you don't have it, but I have a solution. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do, Family Dollar, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you wanna go, pick up one of these bad boys, all right? An extension cable. Plug the extension cable into itself to give you maximum power. I'm struggling. To give you unlimited power, and then you can just carry this and then plug whatever you need to into here, and you'll have power forever. I just stepped in shit. I guess that's what I get for trying to be funny. What's even worse is that like I was stepping in it and I was like, oh, why is my foot slippery? And I'm like working my foot into it, not even knowing what it was. Moving on to number two. Number two is one that's pretty unfortunate, I'm not gonna lie. This one kind of bums me out because it limits what you can and cannot do. The headlights. The headlights are something that aren't interchangeable as much as a TRD Pro, Off-Road, Sport, Limited. The higher trims, the SR, SR5, struggle. The ones that don't have the daytime running lights, they don't have this little swoosh or they don't have that big J on them. I've got headlights that are like these that'll allow me not to do any extra wiring. Wires and I do not go together very well. I'm scared to burn something out, cause some problems. That's why I had to go a different route. These are your turn signals. These are your high beams headlights, but these are also your daytime running light. So in the other models, they have another light right here. That's your daytime running light. So some may say less problems to deal with. It's more of a fashion thing for me, right? If you buy a housing that's for like a Sport, a Pro, a Limited, something like that, it's gonna have an extra function that's not functional, and that kind of sucks. I remember when I had my first SR5, I dreamt about having that cool J, and then I had it for a little while, but now I don't, and I don't really miss it. I'm a really big fan of that amber. I'm trying to get that amber down there. So if you know what I can do to get that down there, let me know. I see Mumphy has, I think they're Heretic Studios or something like that. Those look pretty nice. I'll probably pick some of those up. I think they're like 320 bucks, so not bad. So something to consider, but we shall see what we can do there. But yeah, number two, the headlight housing, it's not the same. And last but not least, this one hurt me at first, I'm not gonna lie. This was actually the reason that I was considering spending more money on getting another trim, but now that I have it, it's really not that bad. But let me show you. The headliner and all of these plastic accents, they're not black. So if you're into having like a really blacked out truck, consider it. That's one thing. I really liked having that black cockpit, like where you just drive and everything's black around you, and you're like one with the street, one with the night. But with this, it's kind of more there, like you can see it, it's more distracting. But I've had it, I got used to it, and maybe I'll swap it out myself. Maybe. Is that possible? I think I can. I don't know if I will. Also, you don't get turn signals unless you get the technology package. Some of them do have it, some don't. But yeah, something to consider. Also, it's one less mod for me to do, so it's not too bad. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know. Those are four things that I showed you that this SR5 doesn't have, that your Sport, Pro, Off-Road may have, that mine doesn't. So nonetheless, let me know down below in the comment section. Did I show you something new or not? And if I didn't, just comment like, no, you didn't show me, and I will shout your YouTube name out in the next video. Please don't change your name to be something inappropriate. Probably just gave someone an idea. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's Billion Boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace. Also, what do you guys think about this sweatshirt? It just says be amazing. I think that's like our slogan. Is that our slogan? You, me, everyone that's part of the Aing family, the Aing gang.